In this video, we are taking you to the country of Eritrea and we are bringing you some lesser-known facts about this small African nation. Officially referred to as the state of Eritrea, Eritrea is a country in northeast Africa, precisely in the Horn of Africa. Eritrea means red and it got its name from the Red Sea. It is bordered by Sudan to the west, Ethiopia to the south and Djibouti to the southeast, with some portion of the country stretching into the Red Sea. The nation has a total surface area of about 117,600 square kilometers and a population of about 5 million people. Eritrea was formerly an Italian colony but was colonized by Ethiopian after the Second World War and got its independence on May 24, 1991 after a tussle with Ethiopia. Eritrea is a country with rich history and an old civilization dating back several thousand years ago. The capital city of Eritrea is Asmara and the current president of the country is Isaias Afwerki. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. 6 things we didn't know about Eritrea. Eritrea has an extensive amount of resources such as copper, gold, granite, marble, and potash. Eritrea's substantial mineral deposits are largely unexplored. According to the Eritrean government, artisanal mining in 1998 collected 573.4 kilograms of gold, however the number of gold reserves is unknown. International observers also have noted Eritrea's excellent potential for quarrying ornamental marble and granite. As of 2001, some 10 mining companies had obtained licenses to prospect for different minerals in Eritrea. There are more than 600 fish species found in the Eritrean Red Sea. Based on this classification, there are 104 demersal, 79 ornamental, 26 pelagic, 2 crustacean, and 2 cephalopod species, both for local and export market utilization. Eritrea has 2 large and 200 small islands. 4 of the islands are inhabited. With a total population of just 2,500, who still maintain their traditional lifestyle of fishing and herding goats and camels. The isolated and uninhabited Dahlak Islands, and the rich feeding grounds which surround them, attract large numbers of nesting seabirds from all over the Red Sea. Some islands have shores lined with mangrove trees or salt bush. Shoals and submerged coral reefs, a spectacular marine life, dolphins, sharks, dugongs, turtle species, hermit crabs, fish, mollusks or shellfish, shipwrecks and pumice stones formed from submarine volcanoes make the Red Sea an unforgettable diving experience. Eritrea has the second highest archaeological historical discoveries in Africa after Egypt. Eritrea is an ancient civilization dating back thousands of years ago. It is a land that had been inhabited by early humans for long. It has one of the ancient human habitats, evidenced by the high number of archaeological sites that reaches almost 80,000. The national food of Eritrea is injera. A typical traditional Eritrean dish consists of injera accompanied by a spicy stew, which frequently includes beef, chicken, lamb, or fish. Overall, Eritrean cuisine strongly resembles those of neighboring Ethiopia. Eritrean cooking tends to feature more seafood than Ethiopian cuisine on account of their coastal location. Eritrean dishes are also frequently lighter in texture than Ethiopian meals. They likewise tend to employ less seasoned butter and spices and more tomatoes, as in the Tsebhi Dorho delicacy. There are several very popular dishes in Eritrea, but the national food of the country is injera. The coastline measures around 1,200 kilometers square and off it there are over 350 islands, of which 210 comprise the area of the Dahlak archipelago. The Red Sea was the route by which Christianity and Islam reached the area, and it was an important trade route that such powers as Turkey, Egypt, and Italy hoped to dominate by seizing control of ports on the Eritrean coast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.